In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to Surveymonkey. Whether you're enhancing a survey for your business, collecting feedback from friends, or crafting a unique questionnaire, incorporating images can enrich the overall experience and make your surveys more engaging. Let's dive right in and discover how you can seamlessly add images to your Surveymonkey creation. To get started, head over to www.surveymonkey.com and log in securely using your credentials. It's important to have your account details handy because you'll need to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in and on the Surveymonkey dashboard, you have the choice to either open a survey you've already created or kick off a brand new one. If you're working with an existing survey, simply select it from the list. Otherwise, click on the Create Survey button to set the foundation for a new one. Now, it's time to decide where exactly you want to place your image. You'll need to navigate to a specific question or a page description within your survey where you think the image will best serve your purpose. This location could be right above a question to provide context or alongside a description to add visual appeal. Once you have your spot picked out, click on Edit on that section to open up your content for modification. In the editing interface, you'll notice a handy tool known as the Rich Text Editor. This is where the magic happens. Look around in the toolbar until you find the image icon, often represented by a small picture symbol. Clicking this will open up your options for adding an image to your survey. At this point, you'll see two primary options for inserting an image. You can upload an image directly from your computer by choosing a file that's been saved on your device. Alternatively, if you have a particular image online that you'd like to use, simply paste its URL and the image will be fetched from the web for you. Once your image is embedded, you can fine-tune its presentation. You have the option to resize the image by dragging its corners, making sure it fits well within the context of your question or section. Additionally, you can align it left, right, or centered as per your design preference. Don't forget to add alternative text if accessibility is something you're anticipating for your survey participants. It's a thoughtful way to make your surveys more inclusive. Finally, to wrap up the process, hit save or apply to cement your changes. It's always a good idea to preview your entire survey to ensure everything, especially your newly added image, appears just as you intended. This visual confirmation will help you feel confident about the presentation and flow of your survey. And there you have it, a simple way to enhance your surveys by adding images in Surveymonkey. Happy surveying!